Okay na, okay na.
Alright, ma'am, sir, please for your life vest. And it's just for the show.
Mga safety, good morning sa inyo lahat. So ngayon ito ay pang 3 days namin dito sa sa may El Nido. Ito papunta kami Minilok Island. Okay. Ito si Bossing.
Paposisyonin mo natin yung boat natin.
So ito mga ka-safety. Ito si Dexter.
Morning po.
Yung pinakamagaling na
Kasama po natin tour guide si Jerome.
Hello, good morning, Dexter.
Mga ka-safety. Ito pala si Dexter at ito yung pinakamagaling na tour guide dito sa sa may El Nido, Palawan. Talagang magi-enjoy kayo pag siya ang magtutur sa inyo. Kahit saan, pag nandoon na kayo sa sa destination nyo, yung mga itinerary nyo, yun magaling ito. So ngayon, i-explain ni Dexter kung anong gagawin sa yun, okay. Ito sir.
Sige, sir. Okay na po. Okay, ma'am, sir, can you just put your life vest beneath your seat? That nobody will not step on it. Okay, once again, ma'am, sir, did you hear my voice from behind the back? Narinig niyo ba ako dyan? Alam niyo na, I'm so sorry about my voice. Remember, last night I had concert, but unfortunately nobody watched it. Okay, ma'am, sir, before we proceed to our first stop, our first destination this morning, we are going to have a short briefing regarding to our tour itinerary, and of course, to our safety during the tours, right? So this is very important, okay? This briefing might save our life and of course, our environment as well by simply following our rules, okay? It is just a very, very short briefing. It is just 1 hour briefing only. Is that okay? Yeah. But before that, of course, I would like to greet everybody good morning.
Good morning.
Oh no. What happened to your breakfast, huh? We need at least 120% of your energy. Later on, we had so many activity. Remember, we had kayaking. We also have snorkeling, swimming, jogging, boxing, anything except for nothing. So let me check if we have energy for today's tour. So when I say hep hep, I should say hooray! Mabuhay. Mabuhay means long live. Can we just try that? Hep hep. Mabuhay! Wow, I like it. One more. Hep hep. Mabuhay! 10 more. Hep hep. Give applause to ourselves. Thank you so much for energy. I like it. Very energizer. Energy accepted. Well, anyway, my name is Dexter. I am one of your tour guide today. Whether you like it or not, very nice to meet me. Very nice to meet me, ma'am and sir. And since you are about 29 people on board, I have my 2 partner guides or co-guides. That's Kuya Edward. Please give a round of applause to Kuya Edward. Kuya Jerome.
Good morning, everyone.
So we are your official tour guide, ma'am, sir. So we are here to serve you. If you need some assistance later on, especially for those who are not a good swimmer, please don't be hasty to call us, okay? And ma'am, sir, I would like you to meet our veterans and handsome captain. Please give him a round of applause, Captain Jackson. Captain Jack, aka Captain Barbosa. And we call him veterans because he's been a captain for almost 5 days.
Jack Sparrow!
Jack Sparrow! Where's Jack Sparrow? So Captain Jackson has 3 boat assistant at the same time. Our on-command, that's Kuya Tonton. Please give a round of applause to Kuya Tonton. And of course, Kuya Erwin. Please give a round of applause to Kuya Erwin. And our fourth handler today, that's Kuya Pano. Kuya Pano, say good morning to our guest today. Alright, so we are about 7 people together with you on this boat. Okay? So let's talk about our tour itinerary. Today we are going to explore itinerary package tour C. Alright? As you may know, Mami Sir, Tour C is composed of 5 destinations. But each destination, every destination will be able to stay at least minimum of 30 minutes, maximum of 40 minutes in order to complete our 5 destinations. Please, ma'am, sir, allow me to manage our time or otherwise we only have 4 destinations. Is that clear?
Yes.
Okay. So our first destination, that is the Cadlaw Lagoon. So from here going to our first stop, it will take about 1.5 hours by kayaking. But since we take the boat, it is just 25 minutes, we get there, okay? And our second destination, that will be the Helicopter Island. And that's the place we're gonna having a snorkeling activity, okay? Then third destination, that will be Matinloc Shrine, one of my favorite place. But Mami, I would like to inform you that Matinloc Shrine is a private place, okay? If we will just gonna having our lunch there later on, you will have to pay 200 pesos each. Well, actually, we have 3 options to having our lunch. First options, that will be on the boat. But as you can see that we are overcrowded right now. So second options, that will be Talisay Beach, but it's overcrowded and we don't have shaded area. And the most important thing is we don't have restroom if we're just gonna having our lunch on Talisay Beach. So third options, that will be Matinloc Shrine, which is we have shaded area, we have cabin, we also have the restroom. And after lunch, we will gonna go up to the viewing point of Matinloc Shrine, which is really nice to take photos, which is unlimited photos. We will gonna stay much longer time, like more than 1 hour po in our destinations. And I mean like in our lunch area. Is that okay, ma'am, sir, to pay 200 pesos each? I hope that you don't mind to pay 200 pesos each. Yes. For those who are willing to pay 200 pesos each, this is, can you just raise your hand? This is kind of a majority win. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, so lunch will be Matinloc Shrine, alright? Alright, fourth destination, that will be the Secret Beach. Our last of this afternoon, it is the Hidden Beach. So we will doing reverse tour. We will gonna try to avoid the crowded, alright? So let us know about the rules and regulations that you have to follow during the tours. First, always wear your life vest, okay? Especially for those who are not a good swimmer. Life vest protect both of us, and that is our prioritize, our own safety or we own safety. In short, bawal ang bida-bida, ha? Baka maging kwento yan, alright? Second, during snorkeling, you are not allowed to step on the corals. Most of the corals in El Nido, it's more than 350 years old. Do not kill them by stepping on it, okay? If you want to kill someone, you can kill one of our crew, but not the corals, please, okay? Third, you are not allowed to collect any kinds of marine life, okay? Such as dead corals, empty shells, or even the sand, okay? Dead corals and empty shells, that will be a white sand in a long time process. And could you just imagine that there are so many tourists in Lido, like hundreds of thousands of tourists every day? So if all of them collecting a sand, what will happen in Lido after 25 years? Alright? So there will be no islands anymore. We make these rules not for ourselves and of course for our next generation as well. I hope that everybody will understand that. And regarding to your mass snorkeling gears, please take care of it, especially when it's rented, okay? Because once you lose it, you have to pay 1,500 pesos. Then if you have some garbage, please put it beneath your seat. After this tour, we're going to collect it, then we will put it to our proper disposal, alright? So that's all for now, because I know that you are all excited. More information, additional instruction, we'll giving it to its destination or every destination.